Hello, hey, this is Kwame. I'm a regular fan of CelebrateUgandan.com. That's our radio
Celebrity
station.
is a person who is celebrated by his people. Uganda is a country that is celebrated by its people. Join us on www.celebrateuganda.com and celebrate the Pearl of Africa with us.
Hey, this is Mr. Mo, aka President, aka you already know my name. We're here at Afro Specialist Sweden. We're gonna interview the owner of the shop, Kwame, as you might know him, very known in the Uganda community. So tell me about Afro Specialist. What is it about?
The word Afro Specialist is we do all kinds of hair, but the name does not really mean that we only do Afro hair. You see, this man that I'm cutting his hair,
Yeah.
it's not an Afro, but we do cut all kinds of hair: Japanese hair, Chinese hair, Indian hair, all kinds of hair we do.
Blonde hair?
Blonde hair. We specialize with all kinds of hair. But when you look at the name alone, it looks like we only deal with Afro. No. Because as you can see, this man is not an Afro, but we do all kinds of hair.
Yeah, so tell me a little bit more about the female section. What kind of hair do they do?
The female section is also the same like here. They do both European hair and they do both Afro hair. They do weave on, they do braids, and they do hair and coloring and
Hair extension.
keratin and eyelashes. It's a beauty salon. They do all kinds of things that make a person look very beautiful, and those are very specialist women who are specialized in everything they do in that side.
Okay, so you already know, you heard it first here with Kwame
Yeah,
at Afro Specialist.
in Stockholm.
What's the address for people to know?
The address here is Teknegatan number 45, and it's around Rodmansgatan. Teknegatan is closer to Rodmansgatan, and the street is Teknegatan number 45. That's where you will find Kwame, the best barber, the best hairdresser in Stockholm, even in the whole Europe, is here. If you want to have the best haircut, come here. We cut even president's hair here. We cut artists' hair here. We cut, and it's very close to the Rodmansgatan station, and it's close to Taj Mahal as well, because a lot of people know Taj Mahal.
Yes.
And it's close to Drottninggatan too. It's just on the corner of Drottninggatan. And everybody is welcome. Whoever wants to look nice. When you think of your beauty, think of a food specialist. When you think of looking good, think of Kwame.
Yes, Celebrate Uganda.
Yes.
Thank you.
Well,